These are bypass valves, but they're from a company called GFB or Go Fast Bits. I'm hyped. Let's go install these. I don't know how these will sound because stock is already a bypass valve. This is a stock bypass valve. I'm not gonna go vent to atmosphere because I'm not tuned for it, so I'm not sure how well it will sound, but these stock ones gotta come off. It's a pretty straightforward install. It's just two 12mm bolts and two hose clamps, and that's it. So let's get to it. Okay, ow, my hand is cramping, ow. Okay, so I got it, but I can't tell if that hose is broken or not because I can see some silver. So when I pull it off, I'm gonna see frig, I might have to order a whole new hose. Luckily, it's just this one hose here, but all right, let's get it off. I'm committing to this, I don't care. So the gasket and bolts are out, and there you go. Now I'm just gonna take this out and pop the new one in, and we should be good to go. Let's force this. Y'all, I'm sweating. I got it out, but my God, that was so hard. All right, one down, one more to go. Let's do it. Ah, I spat on my car. Second one is out. Let's pop the new one back in. I'm gonna clean it real quick and then we'll take it for a quick drive. But I wanna hear how it sounds. But honestly, I don't know if it'll make a difference because it is, again, pretty much the same design as the stock one. I don't know, we'll see. We'll figure that out soon.
Three days later.
So today we're at the Honda Indy, all of us, and we're taking pictures here because it's pretty cool. Kind of all just parked up. Sounds good. We have our professional photographer here, Nick. The master at work. I can't wait to see how they turn out, but this is such a cool picture. I think you can go down there and turn around. But yeah, it's pretty cool because this is where the Honda Indy will be in like 2 weeks. So we're able to kind of come by, take some pictures beforehand, you know, with the fence, because the fences are pretty cool. And yeah, the only thing that sucks is that it's all dusty and shit. Ooh. It's pretty sick with M2s.
Okay, you want to follow me? And then like pop up to...
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, even this is pretty sick. That's pretty cool.
4 to 6 days later.
So, because my Fit got hit, this is the rental car. It is a it's a Volkswagen Jetta. I think it's, yeah, it's a sport, but it'll do. So I've had the blow-off valves on for about a week or so and makes no noise at all. I guess that was to be expected, right? Like, it's literally the stock system. So that makes sense. It's fine. Doesn't matter. I got them as a gift, so that was really nice. But the car feels faster. I feel like it holds boost a lot better. I didn't realize how quick it would have been just with like a better quality bypass valve. I didn't think it would do anything, but no sound at all. It just feels fast. And this car already is quick, so it was kind of crazy for me to feel like this is faster. So that's all it did, honestly. And again, it's like a small little mod. It's nothing huge, but it helps. So yeah. So yeah, that was really cool. I just saw Fresh Kicks' video. Yo, congrats! You got another Nismo, and this one looks way better. You got black. I don't know what year it is, but it's a 2017 up Nismo. Congrats! If you ever watch this by any chance, congrats! I'm so happy for you. I watched all of his GTR videos, and oh man, like seeing him back in a GTR just makes me so happy. I don't know why. I love it. God. And yeah, the one, I can't believe you got a Nismo though. I looked all nationwide in Canada for a Nismo GTR. none of I can't find a single one. A single Nismo is not being sold in Canada. That's crazy to me. So he found a Nismo. Oh God, I'm jealous. I'm jealous. The difference is the carbon package, the carbon wing at the back, the front bumper, the rear bumper, everything. And it just looks so good. And it does have bigger turbos than a regular stock, like a regular premium GTR. So yeah. So I'm super happy for him. I can't wait to see what he does. He did say he wanted to build everything, so I'm hyped to see it. I'm super hyped to see it. Like, I'm happy for him. I'm genuinely happy for him. The moment he pulled up to Nissan in that video, I was like, there's no way he got another GTR. I was like, there's no way he did. So yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get some gas. Gas is going up. This thing drinks gas. I drove it like 3 times and it's already half a tank, so maybe I have a heavy foot, who knows. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. And drive safe. Peace.